Okay, so have a look here, guys. The last time we came here, there was something else going on in here, but this is the new factory chill out area. As you can see, table and chairs, everything. And then if you look up there, that's where you see the office, guys. Say hello, guys. Hi. There we are, Sebastian, Maria, Julie, all up there. And then down here, if you have a look.
Guys, you better subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel.
There we go, well said. And then have a look down here. You've got towels for sale. Of course, you've got your treats. Fit meals, you better share this video now that I'm plugging you guys. Got a nice coffee machine here as well. Everything that you might need is here in the factory. A TV for you to watch. Pictures, these are from the archives. And there you go, guys. Nice and simple. Right, should we get on with the workout? Let's do that. Right, I think I forgot to do an intro video, so here I am at the end of my workout doing the intro video, which is a bit weird, but I hope you enjoy. This is what we're doing today. It's all bodybuilding stuff. Let me move to the side so that you can see everything, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay. All right, the suggestion was to wipe off all this sweat before I gave the outro. But anyway, workout complete. Again, nice bodybuilding stuff today. Not really much cardio apart from the slam balls at the end. So I hope you like that workout. As I said before, do it in your own time. Adjust the weights when necessary. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, share this video. See you next time.